Hi, I'm Rashida.
Hi, my name is Zaimi.
We are a very proud owner of this beautiful house. Our home theme is actually industrial Scandinavian, and we got the idea from Pinterest mostly, and all of the ID design that we see through and browse through Instagram.
The reason we chose Damien as our interior designer is because we felt he's the one that we are most comfortable to talk to.
Personally, I prefer my dining table over here, and my favorite part will definitely be the kitchen because this is where I spend most of the time here, cooking especially. And this is my favorite bar top counter as well.
For myself, the favorite part is the dishwasher because I hate washing dishes.
We chose this particular ID itself because he gave us a very good, affordable quotation. He's very prompt in his replying of messages, especially when we keep asking him questions at night, and he's very into in replying to all our various questions. And he always frequently gives us an update on WhatsApp over the renovation progression, which is very important to us because we would like to know about the current condition, especially during the hacking. We actually got the idea from various Instagram posting and also Pinterest. So we actually gave him the proposed idea, and he added on a little bit of ideas here and there into the creativity and turned out into something that we really loved. Okay, so we met our idea actually through this platform called Renopedia. So we submitted our queries, and then Renopedia actually gave us the list of our renovation ID for us to actually meet up and discuss on our plans and ideas.
You need to know what you really want, and communication must always be there lah. You can't lapse any communication between you and your ID and even your wife.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.